Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these magnetic tiles for ages 3 to 8 plus. Alright, so right here we have our magnetic building tiles. This is a 50-piece set. These are for 3 plus ages. This one here is everything that you see. You can build anything. It does come with an instructions manual. These are a really nice building block set. So if your kids like to build, this is a great option. It is a fantastic bonding activity with your kids without any mess. It does have a user manual that basically shows you how to build certain things. You can bring your imagination to life with any magnetic tiles. So we're just going to jump into the box, and then first off we're going to see the user manual. That is basically going to show you all the building blocks that comes with it, what you need to do to build what. These tiles are made of durable and safe food grade ABS plastic, which is compared to a single layer of inferior magnetic blocks on the market. These ones are a chunkier double layer designs with packing and rounding corners designed, which it does provide additional protection to ensure the maximum safety for kids while building, and is converted to the diamond surface, engages kids' sense of sight and touch as well as the sensory. This magnetic tiles are open-ended toys. They are compatible with other brands of magnets. So like this user manual right here just tells you if you want to do a rabbit, it tells you you need 28 pieces of the square, you need 13 of the triangle. So it does tell you on how to make the mermaid, a dinosaur. So that's a good thing to have. So it does tell your kids what you need to make these, or they can use their imagination and build their own. So this would help create a fun and engaging learning environment for your kids. The magnetic toys contain a variety of colors and exercise for your kids to recognition. It has various shapes of the blocks, the textures of its diamonds, and exercise which toddler shapes recognition. It can attract kids interact. So you can see right here you've got some diamonds, you've got some squares, you have a bunch of different shapes in here. These building blocks can not only improve your kids' communication skills, but it also keeps them busy playing around. So and then you have a bag which you can use for carrying your toys with you on the go. So here's some extra sizes and shapes, like these top ones right here. These look like a square, but if you break them apart, they're actually 2 E's backwards. So that can be for like a window. You got some squares. These ones here are really nice. They've got the little flower on the inside. These are really nice. These will help bring your kids' creativity out. They are very nice. They are of a hard plastic, so they are really super safe. So right here you can see the magnetics on the side. These ones are super strong, so they do stick when you're building things. You don't have to worry about them falling or breaking down. So here are some more of the blocks. You got some more shapes as well. So this one here looks like a block, but they're actually 2. And then as you go down, you've got other shapes, other colors. So here is a green and a purple. Then you got some pink, red, and then you have another box here on the side which covers more purple, oranges, greens, and yellows. So these ones here could be used like a door or for windows. You can use these as a top. So you get different shapes and sizes. These ones are super nice. They're very nice colored. And then here you also do get a travel bag. So if you want to go and you want to take your blocks with you, it does get a nice little string bag so you can string and tie it up and take them with you on the go. This is a really nice bag. These are really nice building blocks. Your kids would love it. They're very beautiful in colors. If you're looking for a nice magnetic building block tile set, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.